Thank you for your interest in Infratech heating systems. Our company has been a leader in infrared heating technology for more than 50 years. We design and produce cost and energy-efficient electric heating options for a wide range of home, commercial, and automotive needs. Infratech heaters offer a versatile, environmentally friendly way to enjoy outdoor living year-round with inviting, efficient comfort and warmth. Our heaters are perfect for residential indoor and outdoor living spaces. They are also ideal for use in commercial settings. Infratech heaters provide radiant, ambient heat exactly where you need it. They are 90% efficient with zero wasted energy and no harsh glare. The electric infrared heat from an Infratech heater can be directed onto seating areas, doesn't blow away in windy conditions, and will not waste heat in a circle like other traditional heating options. Our heaters are safe to use outside or in. They operate silently, emit no odors or greenhouse gases, and do not need ventilation. There are no expensive tanks to refill, and they cost only pennies per hour to operate. In addition, Infratech products offer long-lasting quality and value. They can be installed with minimal expense and labor. With no moving parts and very little required maintenance, our heaters can provide years of trouble-free service. Infratech comfort heater components and packaging are completely recyclable. All of our products are proudly made in the USA and are manufactured at our facility in Los Angeles. When it comes to Infratech installation and heating choices, you don't have to compromise on comfort, convenience, or design. Our heaters can be installed in a variety of configurations to accommodate existing structures and architecture. They can be flush-mounted, ceiling-mounted, wall-mounted, or pole-mounted. Choose from standard colors, finishes, fixture sizes, control options, and heating capacities, or work with our associates to design original heating systems that meet your specific needs. We work with some of the finest restaurants, hotels, and resorts to develop custom heater shapes, colors, profiles, and control packages that blend seamlessly into the decor of their properties. As a UL 508 listed manufacturer, we have the expertise to create custom UL listed solutions that can increase the functionality, convenience, and energy efficiency of your Infratech heating system. Would you like to learn more about adding an Infratech heating system to your home or business? We offer comprehensive sales and design support to help you select